Welcome to How to Wave. In today's video, we'll walk you through how to make money using Claude AI in 2025. Claude AI, developed by Anthropic, is a powerful tool that can be used for a variety of money-making opportunities. To get started, first, you'll need to sign up for an account with Anthropic and gain access to Claude 3. Once you have access, there are several ways you can leverage Claude AI for income. One of the most popular methods is by offering freelance writing services. Claude AI can help you generate high-quality content quickly, which you can sell to clients or use to build your own blog or website. Additionally, you can create digital products, such as ebooks, guides, or online courses, with Claude's help in writing, researching, and structuring the content. Another way to make money is by providing AI-assisted consulting services. Claude AI can assist in research, data analysis, and generating insights, which you can use to advise businesses or individuals. For those with coding skills, Claude can also help you develop software, apps, or automated systems, allowing you to create and sell digital products or services. Additionally, you can explore affiliate marketing by using Claude AI to generate blog posts, reviews, and content that promote affiliate products. The key to making money with Claude is to utilize its capabilities in writing, research, programming, and automation to offer valuable services and products. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to How to Wave for more tips and tutorials.